Kung naamoy negosyo, naadyo na siya risk all the time. Ang isa sa mga idea sa mga tao, Sir, pwede ba mangutang para magtukod og negosyo? Maybe you have a good idea. The problem is, wala kay capitalization. Honestly speaking lang, it is not ideal to borrow money to start a business. Kung masipyat ang imuhang negosyo, wala na kay income. Pero ang imuhang utang naa gyapon. Asa nimo kuhaon ang pambayad sa imong utang? Wala naman kay pang-income stream sa imong negosyo. It is not ideal to borrow money to start a business, but it is better to borrow money for business expansion. Kabalo naman gud ka na imuhang business, naa na siya proof na nag-work siya. Ang kulang na lang is gusto ka mag-expand. Kulang na kag kapital. Dito ka mo gamit og kwarta sa laing tao, bahala na yung interest, makompute naman nimo kung pila imong profit margins. Maski na magbayad kag interest cost or borrow money, you are still able to say na you can pay it off. Mas safer ang inana na style. But then again, na ubang tao, they are willing to take the risk of borrowing money maski na wala pa sila proof of concept. And sometimes it works, sometimes it doesn't.